So today we're going to be fitting Sena SRL mesh kit onto Shoei GTA 2 helmet. So it's just a helmet, we're going to fit your comm system in. So that's the system. So that's the antenna, speakers, battery pack, and that's your buttons to, like, you know, turn on and off. Start. That's the key which you will find in your pack. It will come with the helmet. Back in. So remove the cheek pads. Fairly easy. Everything in one piece. All the wires, everything is connected. So middle here. So gonna be as close as to this part here. So